Alright guys, this Mike 84 here back again. So here's an MSI E7235-295 we're going to do a CPU upgrade. Did most of it already, the BIOS, there's no need to be updated. This processor had a 7350 Intel Core Dual 2 P. So I'm going to upgrade it to the P8700 P. This one's a 2.53, and there's a boost. It might go up to 3. We'll find out. Anyway, let's just get this going. Block that off. First thing I would recommend doing is to remove the battery from the unit. Make sure you remove it from the unit. So the area you're going to be looking for is what would be right here. There's actually 2 screws to remove it. Is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I would use the small screwdriver you have. It's made of steel, so I've done this numerous times. I look like crap right now, but whatever. I'm using the new tripod, see how it goes. Here's the actual processor. We'll see how it goes. See how long it takes. I'm pulling it. It's not gonna really hurt it, just lift it up. So, really about it. I always do leave this to the side. Let me see if you guys can see. I'm gonna zoom in right about here. What you have to do is remove actual this fan right here. You have look down here, you have 4 screws to remove the C-sink. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like the black screws. I'll separate these from those because you don't know. And they come up quite easy. There's not really force needed to take them off. Just see that. Okay, remember this screw right here. This is something to ground the unit. Remember that goes there. You wanna this screwdriver is actually magnetic. They're the same screws. So this lifts up. what you do is lift it. Usually comes up like that. Really about it. Very easily comes off. It's a mini 3-pin to replace this fan. It's a centrifugal fan actually. It's actually the model number DFS 531105MC0T. So it's easily replaceable. Just gotta okay. So this part's done already. This part right here, what you have to do, worry about. This is the unit mirror. So I'm gonna zoom in here. There are actually numbers indicated right here. It says 1, 2, 3, 4. What I would do is remove the RAM out of the way. These are 2 gigs of DDR2 64S. These are the models. The model numbers actually are here. You can see they're 2 of them, the same thing. Anyway, let's get this going. You need too much force at all. So practically they're all the same screws. So separate them. You can put a name on them, but I wouldn't know. Let's see, can you see what I'm doing? Too dark. Let me whoa, onto the light. Had to get some be right back. I had to come back. Hold on. Guessing Q-tips. This is probably going to be part of the P41M processor. Should be like easy. Should just like pull it out. Okay, here it looks like that's the heatsink. Not really that dirty. So just get the rubbing alcohol and clean it off. There we go. I'm gonna pause it real quick. I'm gonna clean this off. There he goes. This is Kill Mike 84. Be right back. Alright guys, this is Kill Mike 84 here, back again. Cleaned up most of everything. What I'm gonna do is I already cleaned the most as I can. There's some type of thermal pad. I'm gonna use thermal compound on there. Really cheap one. Clean. This is a chipset right here. This is the old one, and the new one's where's it at? New one's right there. This tripod is helping me out a little bit. Anyway, there's a little lock in here. Use you're gonna hear it. You twist. So it's been released. That's what it means. So what you do is you lift up. That's it. So this is socket, trying to remember it, BFGA 479. I mean, here's the processors right here. I'm gonna install this one. This is the 7350 and this is the 8700. Both made the same year. GFE is the new one, and this one is B58. Just that their megahertz are different. I'm trying to remember. One's 2.53, the other one's 2.0. Alright guys, wish me luck. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna install this. I gotta really focus. Alright, I'll see you guys a little later. This is Kill Mike 84. Alright guys, this is Kill Mike 84 back again. I already dropped it in. This thing's very lightweight. We gotta be very careful. Here's the old one with the label right here. 25 watts TDP. Slide it in, it's really low. What you do is use the smallest screwdriver you have, flathead, and just turn it. There you go. It's back inside the socket now. It's not going to move. Very, very easy upgrade from 2.0 to 2.53 for 20 bucks. Now I'm going to clean some of this air. It's not needed. People used to use Arctic Silver. I'm going to still use my ceramic too. See how this goes. This is ceramic stuff, so it's not gonna really hurt it. I'm gonna let this pressure do it, and I'm gonna just put a dab right here. That's what I'll do. It's really clean off the rest of it. Anyway, pretty much that's what I'm gonna do. And here's the actual MX graphic card. It's a GeForce GT 130 DDR3. It's 1 gig. It's 512 or 1 gig. It fluctuates. Maybe eventually I'll upgrade if I want to. Try to get a 150 or 160. That'll be a pretty fun upgrade with the CPU and everything. Alright guys, I'll be right back. See you. Alright you guys, just Kill My Kitty 4 here, back again. I'm about to put the tray, put the RAM, everything back. There's no need to clean it. It was really simple. But you want to time it really well. We're doing this. It's not gonna hurt it. Always do. Pretty much this tiny screwdriver did all the work. And some common sense, I know how to put thermal compound. Put the battery on. Okay, we gotta start up. I hit delete. Well, we gotta boot up. The model number is 7335, the model number. So let's go to the processor. Yep. I've just upgraded the processor from a P7350 to a P8700. 2.5 gigahertz. Everything's good to go. We'll see if it boots up. If you notice that I got a new, I moved out with my girlfriend. Actually, I live back in San Jose now, close by to my work. Now you notice the location is a little different. Oh, and now the Windows is actually getting up. I guess I'm just gonna drink. Let me I'm loading up the there you go. Install the Intel Core 2 Dual P87 at 2.53, and it goes up to 2.6, and that's not on the turbo core. Interesting. These the BIOS for this actually for the actual laptops is actually dated. Let me see. Version A1722 MIR, version 1.0Z. The date is 09/16/2009. It's pretty old. Anyway, I'll be right back. We're gonna do a little test before and after of the benchmark. Alright, this Kill My Kitty 4. Alright guys, this is Kill My Kitty 4 here, back again. Pretty much this is the install the Intel Core 2 Dual P87. You can tell, sorry about the zoom in, I scored about another 1,000 points on the score. I'll do link description below both of them to see if they work. So pretty much this is a success that a P87 mobile processor works on this. Just remember they have to make sure it's P. TDP is 25 watts. Apparently upgrading the thermal solution with a ceramic really helped it out, so that's quite unique. It dropped the temperatures dramatically. It's interesting, and it stays at 2.5 constantly, so we'll find out how the battery lasts. Alright, you have any questions or anything, leave a comment down below. Please, and guys, hit the like button. It does help me out and everything. Alright, it's Kill My Kitty 4. See you guys later.